Welcome to Telesec Services training videos. This video will discuss the CallPilot Manager tool, which is used to manage the auto attendant and voice mailbox features of your voicemail system. The video assumes that you already know how to get to your CallPilot Manager and that you have the user ID and password required to log in. If this is not the case, please contact us. When you first log into the system, you will see the main menu as displayed here. And we'll go through each item quickly as an overview, and then future videos will explain more in detail. So starting at the top, we have Mailbox Administration. This is where you would add, remove mailboxes, reset passwords, those kinds of things. You can set up group lists, which really is one number that you can use to send a message to multiple mailboxes. So people are members of a certain list, and then if you send a message to that list, everybody gets it. And class of service, which controls the attributes of the mailboxes, things like how many messages they can store, how much storage they can have, and that kind of thing. Just as an aside here, they have an excellent help menu. Say for instance we're in the group lists area and we didn't really understand what it meant. If you click on the help, another window pops open, and Nortel has done a great job actually of really explaining these features quite well, and how you might use them and how you might apply them in your particular case. So carrying on, we have the auto attendant, and this really describes how your system will answer the lines of your phone system, which messages they might play, and after how many rings, and that kind of thing. Additionally, what we'll cover in later videos, you can route the call based on the calling line ID. You can have different messages on holidays and play different greetings for different times of the day. Moving on to the custom call routing feature, that really is the more press 1 for sales, press 2 for service, press 3 for accounting aspect of an automated attendant. So the auto attendant describes which message gets played first and after how many rings, and kind of controls that. The custom call routing lets you get more granular and decide what happens when a user presses 1, 2, 3, so forth. Networking we're not going to discuss. Really it's about tying two systems together. Say you had an office in Calgary and an office in Edmonton, and you wanted to be able to route messages or voice messages between the two centers. It is an extra cost option, and that's what that is for. Contact center, same thing. That's really more like a utility company's contact center, where calls are held in a queue and they go to the next available agent, and that kind of thing. And those two items are beyond the scope of this particular video series. The reports you may want to look at when you have some time. It's a great way to get a feel for how the mailboxes are being used. You can see mailbox information, the activity, even the custom call routing tree or CCR tree usage. You can tell how many people are pressing 1 for sales, how many are pressing 2 for service, and you might find that some people are never using a particular item, so why have it on the menu? The configuration menu, I recommend you stay away from. It really is meant for a technician to configure the system. Have a look if you want, certainly, but I definitely would not change anything in there without talking to us first. And finally, operations. You may want to go here, although rarely. It really describes, is the auto attendant available, is the business open, will it answer the lines, and what the attendant extension is. That is an overview of the CallPilot Manager. The next series of videos will discuss the Mailbox Administration, the automated attendant, and custom call routing, including setting up some samples just so you can get a feel for it. Thank you very much.